Cryptocurrencies are making a splash in the world these days. In all news and social networks, there is a talk of decreasing the value of these currencies. And rapidly, Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency that has been recognized by many organizations and collections. And a number of world-renowned platforms have made it possible for consumers and users to buy with Bitcoin. In this video, we are going to introduce websites, stores, and collections that can be used to pay for their services and products with Bitcoin. A number of major online retailers around the world have for some time enabled Bitcoin purchases or currencies such as Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Ripple, and other cryptocurrencies in their payment systems. Amazon, which is the largest online retail store in the world, if users use Purse Wallet, allows them to buy with Bitcoin from their store. Overstock is one of the first online retail stores in the world that allows its users to buy with Bitcoin and other digital currencies. Microsoft, one of the largest companies in the field of technology and digital, also allows its users to recharge their accounts through digital currencies. eBay is another world-renowned online store that allows its users to purchase electronics and digital devices with cryptocurrencies. Shopify also offers its users the option of paying with Bitcoin. An online company that provides site and blog support services to its users has made it possible for them to pay with Bitcoin. A source for collecting news and information and sharing it among users, which has made it possible to use the site services with Bitcoin. Roadaway Moving Company only accepts Bitcoin payments with digital wallets or software wallets. It's not possible to pay through physical wallets in the company's system. Another travel service company that recognizes Bitcoin and allows its users to pay through these cryptocurrencies. This company has sold many tickets for its flights in exchange for Bitcoins. Air Baltic is the first airline to recognize Bitcoin. Webjet is a platform for travel services such as flight tickets, ferry tickets, hotel rentals, car rentals, and services that allow customers to pay with Bitcoin. Another travel service company that has accepted Bitcoin as official currency. You can also receive travel services by paying Bitcoin. This company has made it possible to book all travel services online. Traveler website offers hotel and accommodation reservation services. Users of this online company can choose from more than 500,000 hotels around the world and use Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to pay for it. It's a popular browser for finding hotels, plane and ferry tickets, and other travel services. In addition to Bitcoin, the platform also supports 20 other cryptocurrencies to pay for booking fees. Chipwire is a travel agency in the United States that provides worldwide online services. This platform has made it possible for users to pay with a variety of cryptocurrencies. In addition to all these online platforms, some shops and stores have also made it possible to shop with Bitcoin at their place of business. In addition to websites and stores we have mentioned, there are many other stores, shops, and restaurants that are not well known and do not have global operations. They have made it possible for their consumers and users to shop with Bitcoins around the world. Finally, it should be noted that Bitcoin payment system is not completely perfect, and some collections, such as Dell Computer Manufacturing Company, have disabled the Bitcoin payment system. But with all these interpretations, as the evidence shows, and the growing popularity of digital currencies, many platforms will be forced to adopt cryptocurrencies in the coming years.